Yo, what's up everyone? Microsoft has completely redesigned their Microsoft Office mobile version, and new version is good. I like it, especially their design. Even they changed their logo design, which is great. And here is that. Just I'm using it. Still it's in development, but if you want you can also use this. I'm giving the link of course in the description as always. You'll find it, right? But before that, take a look. Opening the Office mobile, you are getting this screen from where you are getting all your notes, media and files here. If you connect your accounts, I didn't yet, but if you want you can do that, because that's helpful for transferring files between your PC and mobile, etc. Here is a add menu, which is notes, lens or documents, because lens is for capturing whiteboard or something, because Office is for students and professional persons. So from documents you can now create Microsoft Word file, Excel file and even PowerPoint. You already know those are so great, but I'm showing you the PowerPoint. Here you go, the Office PowerPoint. As you can see, here is the new menu, and I'm really glad to see this because the new slide is completely look like the PC version of mobile phone, PowerPoint. So it's really amazing for those persons who are getting a smartphone. Now those students can create presentation on their phones, so it's really amazing for them. Those who want, they can also insert their pictures or some other documents, slideshow, even they can add animations, which is so amazing. Not only that, they can also create Excel file and even Word file, which are so nice for helpful their works. Even from the sections they can also transfer file, even share between their friends or others. They can also convert images to text. Yeah, it's so great to have it from there using camera, etc. It's nice to have it. Sometimes really need it. They can also scan PDF and etc. These are nice. This new version of Office, I really like it. It's still in development, but it's also fine. So if you want, you can get it. As I have mentioned before, I'm giving the link in the description, so check that from here. Hit the like, subscribe and comment below if you have any question or something. Thank you guys for watching and peace out.